Hello friends, welcome to Superb Making Ideas. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a high quality toilet cleaner at home. Toilet cleaners are a chemical solutions for cleaning the toilet only, but this product is multifunctional, which could be used not only as a toilet cleaner but also as drain opener and washroom tiles cleaner, which will remove stubborn stains and biological debris from your toilet. I hope you will like this product after making it. Before we start, it is requested to please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get our new uploads regarding so many other easily homemaking products. Now let's establish the quantity of material we need to make 1 liter of toilet cleaner at home are water 600 ml, NP9 or SLS solution 10 ml, hydrochloric acid 400 ml, color 2 grams, and of course we need an empty mug and stirrer. The safety precautions are: use face mask, use safety goggles, use hand gloves, keep out of reach of children, and do not smell or taste any chemical. Now let's know the chemicals. This is NP9 solution. This is hydrochloric acid. This is color. And this is water. This is an empty mug and a stirrer. Now let's start the process of mixing. First take 600 ml of water in the empty mug we are having. Now add NP9 solution in this water. Mix NP9 solution very well in the water. Now add color in this solution. Mix it very well in the water. Now add hydrochloric acid 400 ml carefully in this solution. Mix it again. Your high quality toilet cleaner is ready to use. Now let me practically show you the performance of this toilet cleaner. As you can see, this toilet cleaner is of very high quality. It is once again requested to please like and subscribe our channel for latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video.